Here's the fun thing about how DaVinci Resolve defines primary versus secondary operations. Basically, the only difference between a node that's doing a primary correction versus a node that's doing a secondary correction is whether or not you're isolating something. You can isolate secondaries using qualifiers or using windows, which we'll cover in the next lesson. And when you do so, you basically, for example, sample the red with the qualifier. And if I turn on my highlight control, there's a highlight control right here at the top of the viewer because this is such a useful control. You can see that I'm selectively just isolating that kind of red. I'm not touching anything else in the picture. And in fact, I can refine this to do an even better job. Here's your first tip. When you're doing an HSL qualification to sample a color, the first thing that's probably going to make your key better is adjusting the width of the hue controls. So I'm going to click and drag width to the right to expand width. Now you can see this graph is showing me what range of hues I'm isolating here. By increasing width, I'm widening that graph. And you can see if I go too far, now I start reaching into the orange-yellow of the wood paneling there. So I don't want to go too far.